Hey everyone, if you're new to 3D printing and you're getting a weird thin layer stuck to the bottom of your print that just won't peel off, don't worry. You're not alone. I had the same issue, and after a lot of trial and error, I found a solution, and it was actually very simple. So here's what happened. I downloaded an STL file and sliced it using Cura like most beginners do. But after printing, my model had this ugly thin base layer that was super hard to remove. I tried cutting it, nothing worked, and it was ruining the look of my print. I thought maybe the STL file was bad, or maybe my filament had a problem. But guess what? The real issue was in Cura settings. By default, Cura sets something called Build Plate Adhesion type to Raft. Raft adds an extra base layer under your print to help it stick better, but in many cases, especially for small models or keychains, it's just not needed. And when it's too thin, it sticks way too hard. So here's how I fixed it. I just went into Cura, clicked on Build Plate Adhesion, and changed the type from Raft to none. That's it. After that, my print came out clean, and there was no thin layer to peel off. If you're a beginner like me and you're facing this same problem, try this simple fix. It saved me a lot of frustration and filament. Hope this helps. And like and subscribe if you found this useful, and leave a comment if you have more 3D printing issues you want help with.